hello there! Welcome to San Juan National High School, home of the future leaders, athletes, artists, innovators, and home of the ICT wizards.
Onward we go and up above, San Juan National High School. We continue to strive for excellence through quality education.
Together with our dedicated teachers and hardworking students.
Eskwela to, dito enjoyable. Ang konting aralan, konting bulakbol. Nandito na lahat, magdaldalat bulol. Ito na nga, yeah! School bukol, ah, ahoo, yeah! School bukol, ah, ahoo, yeah! School bukol. Sa simula pa lang, wala pang ang roll call. Lahat ay magulo, but okay lang, it's cool. Lahat ay terrible, lahat buhol-buhol. Ito na nga, yeah! School bukol, ah, ahoo, yeah! School bukol, ah, ahoo, yeah! School bukol, alright!
Advice ano yun ako sa mga grade 6. Ano yung grade 10?
Grade 9?
Ano 11?
Kayo, grade 10, LTL eh. Ang
sigurado ka sa happening at sa katatawa. Sigurado ang mga pabongga, hindi lang sure ang pagpasa. Ahahay, ahoo, yes, school bukol. Aha, ahoo, yes, school bukol. Alright.
SJNHS is a home to a total of 1,691 students, with 1,091 junior high schoolers and 600 senior high schoolers. RSC program sharpens the mind of future scientists and innovators. Currently, there are 132 students mentored by 4 expert teachers. Here, students are trained for scientific inquiry, mathematics, technology, and research, preparing them for their college life. The specialization in dancing, singing, theater arts, creative writing, visual arts, and media arts. The Charmers represent pride and beauty in parade and celebrations. SGNHS offers these strands STEM, ABM, UMS, ICT, EIM, HE, and ICT.
We proudly uphold the name of our beloved alma mater.